Yeah! America!
Turn those lights off.
Tim, turn what lights off?
Turn those lights off.
Never tell me to turn my lights off, Tim.
Turn those lights off, buddy.
I'll film you guys. That's what you call filmaroos.
Turn those lights off, buddy.
Alicia, what do you think of the show? Alicia, what do you think of the show? Huh? America, huh, Alicia?
See, I thought it was a lot better before I started getting interrogated.
Alicia, you have 6 red lines? Grab my hand.
What? You're gonna go in that park? You wanna go down the slide really quick? Let's go. You can go down the slide really fast, okay? You don't need shoes, it's just thick. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, Lala. Come on. Are you gonna go on the slide or not?
I'm gonna go on this.
Huh? Okay, go. Climb up there.
What?
Climb up. Can you get up? Be careful. Yeah, there you go. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Are you going to walk across it?
No, I can't do it. I need help.
You got to get down? Come here. Nice try. Okay, let's go back to Grandma and them. Come on, let's go back to Grandma and them. Come on. They're going to leave. Some of them are leaving us. Everyone's going to leave us. Watch it. Stand up. Yep, there. Come on. Go.
Oh, get your shoes.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Bye, Florida. I love you, America.
Goodbye,
America to watch America's birthday. No, I can't.
You gonna ride my car?
Come on, baby.
No.
Idaho, Montana.
Come on, baby.
Wyoming.
Like this, you gotta go.
Go.
You gotta go off of your head. Off your memory.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California,
No.
Colorado,
Yeah, look at
Delaware,
that.
Delaware, Florida.
No, you have to just name them all.
Did you like those fireworks? Huh?
I'll do all of them.
Did you watch the fireworks? Did you, or were you playing around?
I want it.
You wasn't? Okay.